Okay guys, I'm back with another video. I just left Carolyn's because there's a big storm coming and all that. I'm at my mom's for a Cracker Barrel. Well, I'll show you what's outside. Okay guys, I'm back and we'll go. I'll show you what's happening outside. Y'all can see that there's a big patch of rain right over there. Looks like a hurricane's about to come. Oh, it's a lot of wind. Too much. I'm going back in. Yeah, it's pretty bad. We just, like when I was in Carolyn, the pool, they got closed. All the rides, the roller coasters only got closed. Everything. I'm mad right now from them, because they suck now. If they want to close down every good one, they suck. I might go back there Thursday and make a video.
About making meat cereal.
I'm making a YouTube video right now. Yeah, it's happened. I already got the Halloween stuff out. Wait, is that a head? What is this thing? Looks like a... That didn't happen. Oh shit. No, it's annoying. It's been there for a long time. Well, there's this thing I was gonna get. I'm already bought the rubber band gun. But I'm back here. Why did I say that again? I wish they had him. I wish they had the Shark Puppet guy. Wait, is this still on? No, I heard WWE on the, one of the drawing board things, and that's what happened. Somebody flipping iced it. Like, nobody knows WWE. If you don't know that Brock Lesnar's the Universal Champion, I'll slap you right in the mouth. Yeah, the weather's pretty bad and all that. You go.
Thank you, Steve.
Well, I'm outside again. It's really getting pretty windy. I'm out. I'm like, not kidding. Look at that. That's pretty bad. Oh, this is about to be a hurricane. Guys, $10 is gonna be a hurricane. $10. There is gonna be a hurricane. Cause come here and look. Okay, that's not so bad, but you see all those clouds? What?
Look how black it is right there.
Guys, look. Oh my god, this is about to be a hurricane thing. Okay, I'm back, guys. I am not staying out there for long again. It'll probably be a hurricane or some storm, big storm. I might just go outside one more time. One more. It's pretty bad. From the look, it's gonna be pretty bad. Like Hurricane Katrina. I don't know. Well, let's look at more of the storm that's coming. Trying to walk right there. I tripped. Yeah, but I'm not sure wrong. I thought that was next. Or Triple H's Sledgehammer. Boy. Why is there just that toll in the sky? Looks like something bad about it. Looks like something bad's about to happen, guys. Oh god, that's the rest of them over there. Actually, let's go see that part again over there. Let's go see that again.